Okay, so take these notes down. You can pause the video if you need some time to get this written down because I forgot to start off recording. Okay, and then we'll unpause when you get to the spot. Okay, so remember, we're going to look back at our steps here. So it says simplify each side. You need to make sure you know where your sides are. So let's go ahead and just distinguish the two sides. And then it says to distribution, and it gives you an example of what that's like. Whenever you have a number right next to something like a parentheses, that means multiplication. Okay? So we're going to take -5 times 3 and -5 times 3. So I'm going to put distribution is multiplication. Okay, distribution is multiplication. You need to know that. So -5 times 3 is -15. -5 times 6n is -30n. Okay, and it equals 165. All right. So we have done distribution, and now we're going to try to combine any like terms. That's the next step. Is there anything on this side that we can combine? Nope. And nothing we can do here, so we're going to go to the next step, which is to get the variable on one side. The variable's already on one side, so we don't need to do that. And then now we're going to solve with inverses, starting with adding and subtracting. So this is multiplication and division right here, guys, because it has the variable. We're not doing that one. We're doing this one here. That's our adding and subtracting piece. Okay? So we're going to add 15 to both sides. Add 15 to both sides. -15 plus 15 cross each other off. They're inverse operations. So you get -30n equals, and then 165 plus 15 is 180. Okay? And at this point, it should be super easy. The -30 and the n are together. You want to break those up. So breaking them up is division. So divide by -30 and divide by -30. And the negatives and the 30s cross off. And you get n equals -6. Okay? All right. Okay, so let's do another one. All right. Yes.
We have x there, don't we?
If we get to it, yes. Okay. So -438 equals -3n plus 7 parentheses 8n minus 2 parentheses. All right. So first thing we want to do is we want to make sure we know where our different sides are at. Okay. Now, first thing we want to find is distribution. Sebastian, you get this written down. Come on. Notes get graded at the end of the 9 weeks. Come on. Is the distribution. So the distribution is the parentheses. That's this part here. It has nothing to do with this -3n. Do not try to multiply that -3n. We're going to take this 7 times the 8, and we're going to take this 7 times the -2. Okay, this is a -2 here. Okay? So 7 times 8 is 56, right? 56n. Is it a positive 56 or a negative 56?
Negative 56.
7 times
Positive.
So we're going to put plus 56 because a positive 56 is going to be plus 56, right?
Yes.
Okay. 7 times -2. What is 7 times -2?
Negative 14.
-14. So we're going to write minus 14. Remember, negatives and minus interchange, positives and pluses interchange. Okay, this -3n just goes straight down. -3n goes straight down. It was not a part of the distribution, so it just goes straight down. This -438 goes straight down. Just because I say straight down does not mean you drop your notebook. When I mean down, I meant just the numbers, not the whole notebook. All right, are we all good so far? Okay. So at this point, we have now distributed. So now we're going to combine like terms. So on this side, we have this n and that n. They needs to be combined with positive 56n. Remember, combining is what? Combining
Like,
is adding, right? It's adding. So negative 3 plus 56. That is what you're putting in your calculator. Negative 3 plus 56.
in.
So you're going to get 53 in, just like Jalen said, because you don't want to drop the n. The negative 14 comes straight down. The negative 438 comes straight down. Okay. So now, do we have anything else we need to simplify? Any more distribution? Any more combining of like terms? Anything like that? No, because we cannot, even though these are like terms, they're not on the same side of the equation. We cannot combine them, okay? So now we're ready to solve using inverses. This one has the n, so this is multiplication and division. So this one is the adding and subtracting piece, right? So the 14 is what we're going to do first. We're going to add 14 to both sides. That crosses off.
424.
The 53 in comes straight down. You already did the math. It's negative 424.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for those of you with calculators that are helping me out. Negative 424. And then these two are together. We want to split them up. That's division. We're going to divide by 53.
Go down.
Divide by 53.
Yeah, can you go down a little bit? Like,
Oh, thanks. All right. So this 53 and that 53 will cross each other off. We have n left on this side. And we have, when you put that in your calculator, you'll have negative 8. Okay. I want to do another one. All right. I'm going to do another one real quick. One like this to make sure we're really good on these ones. Okay, negative 6, parentheses, negative 3, r, minus 5, parentheses, minus 4 equals 170. Okay, so first you have to mark off your sides, and then you need to see if you have any distribution to do. Yes, there is. This negative 6 needs to be times the negative 3r. It also needs to be times by the negative 5. It does not get times by the negative 4. Why, Jessica?
Because
It's not in the parentheses, right? It's only multiplying by what's in the parentheses. Because that 6 is next to the parentheses. That's what makes it multiplication, Sebastian. All right? So the 6 being next to the parentheses is what makes it multiplication. So ending the parentheses ends the multiplication. Okay? So negative 6 times negative 3 is what? People with calculators? Negative 6 times negative 3.
you know one of the calculators positive.
Positive 18. So do not put a negative there. It's a positive 18. Okay? What's negative 6 times negative 5?
Positive 30.
Positive 30, so you have to write a plus 30. We don't need a positive here because it's on the front. Here you need a positive because it's in the middle. Okay? The negative 4 is not multiplied, so it just goes straight down. Negative 4 equals 170. Sebastian, wake up. Come on, we're here in class. You need to wake up. Okay, what needs to be combined? Sure, Cameron, what needs to be combined? What needs to be combined?
30 and negative.
yeah, you find the two.
The two that just plain constants. Yep. The 30 and the negative 4 are plain numbers. They're plain constants, so they need to be combined. They're like terms. So 18r goes straight down. Positive 30 plus negative 4 is a positive 26. All right. Is there anything else that needs to be simplified?
No.
Nope. So now we're ready to do the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So this is multiplication, division, and this is addition, subtraction, right? So we're going to do minus 26 on both sides first. Minus 26 on both sides.
144.
Okay, so 18r equals positive 144. Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. Positive 144.
Checking on that.
Divide by 18 on both sides.
Yeah, equals 8.
Okay, r equals 8, according to Cameron. And a coordinating answer key. Okay. So do you guys feel confident about these? Do I need to do any more
No, I
examples?
want to
Okay.
I want to see.
All right, Steve.
I want to exercise.
Now we're gonna do a few whiteboard first. Whiteboard first.
No.
I have it. I already done
Okay.
my work 3 times.
Can I do it?